Hey guys, it's Joe from VMP. We're here with John's super clean 2007 Mustang GT500. The car has our VMP Gen3 2650 supercharger with a 2.6-inch upper pulley, a stock lower pulley, a Ford Racing cold air, a VMP twin jet 67mm throttle body, a set of Kooks long tubes and Kooks catback, also paired with a McLeod clutch. Let's get it up on the dyno here and see what the car makes. So we just got finished up with John's car. The car made 775 rear horsepower. Overall, a very clean setup, should be very reliable for him. We talked about future growth. I told him the best bet to do a set of L&M NSR cams. And if you're gonna go that far with the car, to consider doing a short block in the car before you have problems with it. Overall though, should be a really fun car. He does a little bit of half-mile racing, a little bit of quarter-mile racing. I look forward to seeing what it does. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit up the sales guys or just hop on the website and order some parts up. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you want to continue to see content like this.